You manage a Microsoft 365 E5 tenant. You must configure a mechanism to automatically purge any emails or files that include credit card details 12 months after their creation, while keeping administrative overhead to a minimum. Which two items should you set up? Option A, an auto-labeling policy for a sensitivity label. Option B, a sensitivity label. Option C, an auto-labeling policy for a retention label. Option D, a retention label. Option E, a sensitive information type, or SIT.
Let us think about what this question is asking. We're dealing with compliance and information governance in Microsoft 365. Specifically, we need a way to scan for sensitive data, such as credit card numbers, across emails and files, and then automatically delete that content after a specific time frame, which in this case is 1 year. We also want to ensure that this process happens automatically to reduce the workload for administrators, rather than relying on users to manually tag or classify their files and messages. In my view, the correct answers are option C, an auto-labeling policy for a retention label, and option D, a retention label. To automatically delete documents and messages containing specific sensitive data after a set duration, you must use Microsoft 365 retention features. A retention label defines the 12-month retention period and the deletion action. An auto-labeling policy for a retention label is then created to automatically discover content containing the sensitive information type and apply the retention label without manual user intervention, which successfully minimizes administrative overhead, as required by the scenario. Let us look at why the other options are incorrect. Sensitivity labels, mentioned in options A and B, are primarily used for access control, encryption, and visual markings, rather than managing retention and deletion schedules. Finally, regarding option E, a sensitive information type for credit cards is already built into Microsoft 365 out of the box, meaning you do not need to create a new one from scratch.